Dear universe, please make my dreams and goals for this year come true. It's the start of the year and there is nothing better to make sure that you achieve your goals than a good old-fashioned manifestation board. But where do you start? Grasshopper. Want to make a manifestation board, do you? Well, there are a few things that you need to do first. You see, Pinterest is your friend. If you haven't gotten onto Pinterest yet, you are missing out. I literally use it all the time for so many creative things. I use it for looking for different art styles, how to draws, ideas for videos, everything. It is like literally the best platform. And of course, that's where we're going to be making our manifestation board. So the idea is that you want to go into a lot of detail about this. You start with your list of things that you want to achieve this year. So for me, that is like, I want to get to 100,000 subscribers from my official music YouTube channel. But what does this actually look like? Now, the point of manifestation boards is that you don't have to worry about the steps of getting there because the universe is supposed to take care of that, right? But you do need to have a super clear vision of what getting that 100K subs looks like. So for my manifestation board, I'm not just going to include like a 100K YouTube plaque, but I'm also going to put pictures of singers up on bigger stages. I'm going to put in some costumes, what's like glittery ones, some really cool music videos that I'm going to get to do, and some singles that I'm going to release. So this gives me a really well-rounded, super clear vision of what my life will look like once I've achieved that goal. By the way, they say to start living the life you want now instead of waiting till the end of the year. Kind of helps the universe along a little bit. And so in conclusion, once you've gotten all of your images together, you basically print them all out, stick them on a board and put them somewhere where you can see them every single day. And then you can sit back, relax and let the universe do its thing.